halfway through another week of January 15th, 2025. CN Hayes here. 1136 coming to you from West Ladysmith. 519 is back and it's 2091 and the new C6M rebuild of the 3361. I decided to make a return there. See what it has in tow for the return as we lean back and get them. So I remember last getting the 3361 on the U723 back during the summer months. Sand loads coming up on the tail. Maybe some empties. There's the last of 519 now. I guess those are sand loads after all. GECX 4097. Turning up the last of it. How about that? So that's going to do it for today's L51981 of the 15th. And we'll do it for the 5466. 2891 and the 3361. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. And I hope I'll see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.